Good morning, children. You are most welcome to the language class. Today we are starting chapter 16, sentences. So, what is sentence? Yes, sentence is a group of words arranged to make a complete meaning. That means if it will give a complete meaning, then only it will be a sentence. It must have a verb. A sentence must start with capital letter and it will end with a small full stop. Whenever it will be a question, we will start with the capital letter and at the last we will give a question mark. And at the last we will give the exclamation mark when it will be a exclamatory sentence. So at first read the following, tick the ones you think are sentence. We went to Gangtok last summer. So it is a sentence. Himesh are to school. No, it is not giving a clear meaning. So it is not a sentence. It will be cross. These water need plants a lot of. No, this is not arranged properly. So it is a wrong. The beat 9 drums. No, it is also wrong. It is also not arranged properly. It is not giving a clear sense. Is the boy running first? Yes, it is a question. Okay, next. So, is the I saw a crocodile yesterday. It is also a complete sentence. It is an exclamatory sentence. Choose the correct words from the brackets to make complete sentences. So, you have to. So, what is a sentence? That will give a complete meaning. It will contain a verb and it must be started with capital letter and there will be a full stop at the last. If it will be a question, we have to put the question mark, and if it is an exclamatory sentence, then we have to give an exclamation mark. Next, choose the correct word from the bracket to make a complete sentence. One has been done for you. So this is one is, we are moving dash to new house, any house. So it will be to a new house. Next I will tell you, this house is dash of close or close to the park. Yes, the answer will be close to the park. So rest of the 4 you will do by yourself. Next, a sentence must have a verb. Tick the correct sentences. Put a cross for the ones that are not sentences and correct them. One has been done for you. So what you have to do, you have to read the sentence, then you have to understand if there is a verb or not. If the verb is not there, cross it, and again you have to write the sentence putting a verb over there. Okay? The teacher was not happy with us. The teacher was not happy with us. So it is a correct sentence. She asked us why we late. It is a wrong. She asked us why we are late. Why are we late? Okay? Or we can write, she asked us why we are late. I said we an elephant on the road. The answer will be it will be cross, and then we have to write I said, comma, we saw an elephant on the road. Okay? We looked at it for a long time. We looked at it for a long time. Yes, it is a correct one. So we late. Wrong. So we are late. This one, you have to use the sentence building blocks given below to make new sentences and complete the passage on the next page. This one is for practice. It will not come in exam, but you have to practice. Okay? So you will do it. Next. Sentences are mainly of two types, statements and questions. Statements end with full stop and questions end with question mark. My name is Yunus. My books are on my table. Is your name Yunus? Are your books on the table? So from a statement we can make questions by moving the position of the auxiliary verbs or the helping verbs. You have learnt about the helping verbs. You have to put the helping verbs in front and then you have to construct the sentence, then it will be a question. For example, her pencils are in the box. See, are her pencils in the box? It is becoming a question. They will come in the evening. Will they come in the evening? The children are playing in the park. Are the children playing in the park? So this way you can do. Next, some statements are given below. Make question out of the statements. You have to make questions. The tigers are in the forest. So we can write, are the tigers in the forest? And we have to put the question mark over there. Number 2, the birds are singing. Are the birds singing? Then we have to put the question mark. Next, question words help us ask questions. There are some words. These are called the question words. These are also called WH words. Because see, all the questions are starting with that. The why, what, when, where, who. Why means the reason. Why means it is asking for the reason. What means it is asking about the noun. When, time. When is asked for time. Where is asked for place. And who is asked for the person. Who. Who teaches you English? So it is given over there. Who, that means the person. Who indicates the person. What is the time now? So what means it is asking about the time. When does your school start? It is asking about the time that the school starts. When the school starts, it is asking. So when is used for asking the time. Who is used for asking about the person. Where is used for asking about the place, and why means the reason. Okay. Next we are moving towards the make questions for these answers. Use the question words given in the bracket. One has been done for you. So answers are given, you have to make the question. For see here, we see the stars at night. What do we see at night? Okay. The stars are in the sky. So it is showing the place. The stars are in the sky. Where are the stars? We have to write where are the stars. We can't see the stars in day because of the sun. Why can't we see the stars in the day? Okay. Rest you will do by yourself. Okay. So practice it. You have to, what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that will give a complete meaning and it will contain a verb. It will start with a capital letter and it will end with the full stop. Question, that means it is asking something. It will start with the capital letter and there will be a question mark at the end. Okay. Questions are of two types. One, we can make it with the helping verbs. That is, we will put the helping verbs in front and then we will construct the sentence accordingly. Then we will get the question. And next one is that WH questions or the questions with the questioning words. Question words are who, why, what, when, where. Who is asking about the person. Why is asking about the reason. What is asking about the noun. And when. What is also used for reasons also sometimes. And when is asking about the time and where is asking about the place. Okay. So read the chapter and try to do it. So goodbye, have a nice time and keep practicing grammar. Grammar is very essential that you have to practice every day. Otherwise, everything will be wrong. Okay.